So, this is a quick video on how to remove the bonnet release mechanism on a Volkswagen Tiguan. At the back there's a little tab, and you get a flathead screwdriver in there and just pull it out. Pull that tab there out like that. So to refit the bonnet catch, you need to start by putting the clip back in like that into there. So that's where you're putting the flathead in to take it off. You put in the clip back in and then it slots on and clips into place. So once you've put your clip back into the thing, into the handle, and just putting it over in place, and then give it a little whack and it goes in and it's back on working